10 ways you can speed up your computer by 50%. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Cyber Circuit. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of your videos. When your computer is running slow, there is nothing more frustrating, but it may be out of the question to purchase a new laptop. Before you give up, there are various things you can check to make sure your computer is running as efficiently as possible. Nothing slow business down more than sluggish computer. Of course, Apple fans will be pleased to know that there are not many tools for them here because, well, their machines are often invincible. I use many of these ideas to keep my machines running lean and mean in the fast lane. If your PC is wasting the little precious time you have, these tips and websites will help you make it faster. Here are a few ways you can make your computer faster. Number 10, reduce items to run on startup. If your computer takes a long time to start up, the first thing you want to do is see everything it starts when you hit the power button. To do this, click on the Windows button, click Run, and then type misconfig into the box. Click on the Startup tab. Some things you want to leave alone, for example your antivirus. Others such as Adobe Acrobat or Google Toolbar Notifier, you don't need to start up with your computer.
And that is whenever I start Windows, there are all these programs that automatically run at the start, and it slows down my startup process a lot. And I just want to disable them from running.
Number 9, remove programs no longer in use. Along with preventing every app on your computer from starting with Windows, you should also review which programs you no longer need and remove them.
So just go to your search bar and then search for remove, and you will be able to see several options, but the option you are looking for is this one, which is add or remove programs. Okay, so just click on this option which says add or remove programs.
Access the uninstaller tool from your control panel and use that uninstall program you don't use. I regularly do this, of course, as a software reviewer. Number 8, clean your drive. Clean up your drives by typing cleanmgr.exe into the run menu to access disk cleanup. That is that search programs and files box that shows when you hit the Windows Start icon, usually in the lower left mouse of the screen, although you can move it to any part of the screen. Number 7, scan and remove malware. Anything that starts with mal must be stopped. You should regularly scan your system to get rid of malware that may be slowing down your computer. Number 6, clean your browser. Regardless of your browser, you should clean it out regularly. To clean Chrome, click the 3 bars icon in the top right corner, then click Tools, then Clean Browsing Data, and then check the history boxes, cookies, and cached items. Or download CCleaner, which does a great job on the top 5 browsers, registries, and Windows overall. Number 5, scan for and remove viruses and spyware. In addition to performing regular scans on your computer for malware, you should also regularly scan for viruses and spyware. Access your antivirus and manually perform a scan. You can schedule these weekly. Just make sure you do so when you won't be using the computer. Also, having more than one antivirus on your computer will slow it down. So unless you're wanting to be incredibly thorough and perhaps a bit redundant, it's better to run only one.
In order to find any greeblies that might be crawling around on your computer that you might want to get rid of so that it doesn't potentially compromise your system, let people get a hold of your passwords, or any other scary stuff that might happen because of it.
Number 4, make adjustments for better performance. If you want better performance and don't mind losing visual effects such as mouse shadows, click on Computer and then System Properties, and then Advanced System Settings. You'll find a performance setting button that allows you to select Adjust for best performance. You can also reduce your screen resolution, which can speed things slightly and improve battery life when running on it. Number 3, defrag your drive. You should defragment your drive or schedule it to perform this action automatically. In general, you can do this monthly. However, if you excessively download, move, uninstall, or install programs, you may need to do it more frequently. If your computer is running slow, you can manually analyze the disk to see if it is more than 10% fragmented. I still do this occasionally, but Windows seems to be doing a better job of keeping things optimized. Number 2, add more RAM memory. There are a few physical things you can do to increase your performance as well. You can and should add more RAM memory until the computer is at capacity. I found that as a machine ages, you can extend its utility with RAM upgrade. I'm literally ordering RAM from one of my laptops as I write this. In most cases, this is simply a matter of snapping in or out memory sticks. Laptops are usually slightly more tricky and you have to remove screws, but still fairly easy. You can also have a retail store service desk do it. Number 1, upgrade to an SSD drive. Finally, you can upgrade to an SSD drive. This will make your computer run faster, but they are more expensive and have overall less storage capacity. I wish there were easy ways to convert standard laptop devices to SSD, but I haven't found any that are affordable. Do not let a slow machine stop your productivity. Use these tips on how to increase your computer speed to keep your desktop and laptop machines running smoothly. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the next 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.